Hi guys, it's me, Dr. Nasir, back again in Let's Crack OET together. First of all, thank you for so much support. We are close to hitting 3,000 subscribers on my new channel and around 30,000 subscribers there were on my past channel. Today's video, as you have seen on the title, is very important. Make sure to watch this video till the end, because if you are facing difficulty in your OET listening subtest, as this video will help you to improve your score, your core skills, and will automatically help you clear your OET listening subtest. In this video, I will be sharing some tips. Most importantly, I will be sharing 25 very important words for OET Listening Part C that you can see in the question, and the same paraphrased word you will be able to hear in the audio, and from there you will pick your answer. So before starting the video, make sure to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends so that they also get guided correctly. And do not miss this listening series that is currently going on. If you haven't watched previous videos of this series, so make sure to watch it, as it will also help you improve your scores. If you want to buy my book of latest reading and listening material based on the new difficulty index of OET exam, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number down shown in the description and on the screen. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So let's start with the tip number 1. How to improve my listening. See, this is the tip that I used to improve my score to 480 in the OET listening. I was not a good listener. My first OET listening score when I did my first test was 23 or 24. So I was lagging a lot. Then what did I do? I started watching podcasts. But that's not only thing. Everyone is telling you to watch podcasts, but how you should be watching podcasts, that is the most important thing. First thing was watching podcasts and watching the Good Doctor series available on Netflix. Now, I'm not saying to watch it for hours and hours and hours daily. No, only 15 to 20 minutes daily with discipline up to 20 to 25 days, and believe me, you will see improvement in your score. But there is one more catch in it. When you are watching, there must be a register in your hand and the subtitles should be on. You should not get lost in the Good Doctor series, but you should be focusing on the subtitles. And any new word or any medical terminology that you encounter, make sure to write it. It will improve your vocabulary and it will improve your confidence that what you are hearing is actually correct or not. Now, moving on to the tip number 2. This tip is very important, and a lot of students, they are not focusing on this thing. At what time you should be doing the listening subtest? Believe me guys, the listening subtest should only be done waking up in the morning, having a good breakfast, and after your prayers. Make sure to do the listening test at the same time. Why? Because in the morning, there is a lot of silence. Your focus is increased because in the morning, there is a lot of silence. There is no disturbance, no distraction, and your mind is charged and focused. Believe me, you will see improvement in your focus, in your concentration, and in your scores. Now, let me teach you 25 very important words that you will see in the OET Listening Part C questions, and for the same words, I will be giving you the exact same words that you will be hearing in the audio. And believe me, when you sit in the exam, you will thank me later. It took me a lot of time to make these words, to filter them out, so make sure to support me and subscribe below. It really helps me a lot. The first keyword that you can encounter in the question is concern. Like, what is the author concerned about? Or what is the interviewee concerned about? Or whatever the question is. The paraphrased word that you can likely hear for it in the audio will be doubt, apprehensions, reservations. The second keyword that you can see in the question will be believes. And for the same keyword, the paraphrased word that you will be hearing in the audio will be maintains, or use, or hold the view. The third important keyword is highlight. And for this, the paraphrase word that you will be hearing in the audio will be emphasizes, brings attention to, underscores. The fourth important keyword that you will be reading in the question will be suggests. And the paraphrase keyword for suggest that will be present in the audio will be recommends, put forward, advise, The fifth keyword is limitation, and the paraphrase keyword for limitations are shortcoming, constraint, drawbacks. The sixth keyword is common, and the paraphrase keyword for it are widespread, frequently observed, and prevalent. The seventh important keyword is primary reasons, and the paraphrase keyword for this particular word is benefit, upside. The eighth important keyword is challenge, and the keywords for this in the audio that you can potentially hear are obstacle, hurdle, or difficulty. The ninth important keyword is viewpoint, and the paraphrase keywords are perspective, stance, or position. The 10th important keyword is uncertain, and the paraphrase keyword for this word is ambiguous, unclear. The 11th important keyword is rarely occurs, and the very important keyword for this is relatively infrequent. The 12th important keyword is confirm, and the paraphrase keyword that you can potentially hear in the audio are validates, support, verify. The 13th important keyword is critical, and the paraphrase keyword that you can potentially hear in the audio are essential, crucial, important. The 14th important keyword is contradict, and the potential keyword that you can hear for it in the audio are disrupt, disputes, challenges. The 15th important keyword is future development, and the paraphrase keyword for this particular word that you can hear in the audio are advancement, what lies ahead. These are very important 15 keywords. Now, I hope you have learned a lot. If you want the remaining 10 keywords in a PDF file, make sure to contact me on WhatsApp down on the number shown in the screen below. And make sure to subscribe it, because in the next video, I'll be sharing something that is more important. Make sure to watch my videos regularly so that you can easily clear your OET listening subtest. So that was it for today, guys. Bye bye until the next video.